Understanding Variable Analysis, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: variable analysis. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about language, understanding this concept is incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and demystify variable analysis together. Variable analysis is a term often used in mathematics, statistics, and various scientific fields. But what does it mean? In simple terms, it refers to the process of examining and breaking down different variables in a study or experiment. A variable is anything that can change or vary. For example, in a scientific experiment, this could be temperature, time, or any other factor that can be altered. Understanding variable analysis helps us to explore how these changes affect the outcomes of experiments or studies. Now, you might wonder, why is variable analysis important? It's crucial because it helps us understand relationships and patterns. For instance, in a language learning context, we might analyze how different study methods, a variable, affect language retention, another variable. By doing this, we can identify the most effective ways to learn a new language. In other fields, like economics or health sciences, variable analysis helps in making predictions and informed decisions. In variable analysis, there are typically two main types of variables. 1. Independent variables. These are the variables that you change or control in an experiment. 2. Dependent variables. These are the variables that you measure or observe. The changes in the dependent variable depend on the independent variable. Understanding the difference between these two is key to grasping variable analysis. Let's see some everyday examples to make this concept clearer. Cooking. When you alter the temperature, independent variable, it affects the cooking time, dependent variable, of your dish. Studying. The number of hours you spend studying, independent variable, might influence your test scores, dependent variable. These examples show how variable analysis isn't just for scientists or mathematicians. It's part of our daily lives. I hope this video has made the concept of variable analysis clearer and more approachable for you. Remember, understanding variables and their relationships is a powerful tool, not just in academic fields, but in our everyday decision-making as well. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the wonderful world of language and beyond.